Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the Atlas credit card in 2025, a popular option for people looking to build or rebuild their credit. I'll cover what it offers, how it works, and whether or not it's worth the monthly fee. So let's get into it. The Atlas credit card is designed primarily for credit building. It reports to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which is great for boosting your score as long as you make payments on time. One of its biggest selling points is that it has a very high approval rate. Even if you have no credit history or poor credit, there's a good chance you'll get accepted. It also comes with a 0% APR, which means you won't pay interest on your balance, a big plus if you're using it just to build credit responsibly. Now, let's talk about fees. The card isn't free. It costs $8.99 per month, or about $89 per year if you choose the annual plan. Some people find the fee worth it for the credit building benefits. Others feel it's a bit steep, especially compared to other cards with no monthly fee. In terms of features, Atlas includes some nice perks like cell phone protection, extended warranty coverage, travel assistance, and auto rental benefits. There's also a user-friendly mobile app where you can track your credit progress, monitor payments, and manage your account. However, there are a few downsides to keep in mind. Some users report issues with SmartPay, which is the app's auto payment system. It can be hard to turn off, and it sometimes pulls funds sooner than expected. Others have mentioned that customer service is limited, mostly chat and email only. With no phone support. There have also been reports of account freezes or delays in accessing funds, which is something to seriously consider, especially if you're relying on this card for day-to-day use. So, who is this card really for? If you're someone with little or no credit history, and you're okay with a monthly fee in exchange for fast and steady credit improvement, the Atlas card can be a solid option. It's also useful if you like having modern app features and don't carry a balance to that 0% interest. But if you're looking for something fee-free, or you want a more flexible experience with live customer support and fewer restrictions, you might want to explore alternatives like Chime, Self, or Capital One's secured cards. Overall, the Atlas credit card does what it promises. It helps people build credit, but it's not perfect. And it definitely comes with trade-offs. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more credit and finance tips, and drop a comment below if you've used the Atlas card. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.